Good morning, sir. I report this all about ship rotating. From the word ship rotating is kanang pagruruta ng barko. Ship rotating information serves to enhance both the safety and efficiency of marine navigation by providing predetermined paths, particularly in areas with high traffic. This density restricted sea room or other hazard. This includes measures like traffic separation, seams, recommended routes, and areas. To be avoid, all aim at reducing the risk of collision and other navigational accidents. Ang kiniday nga picture nga akong gipakita kay isang chart na pagruruta ng barko sa Singapore Strait nga ang kanang badles nga puwa na dira mao na ang mga ruta kung asa agi ang ilang ship para may baw alam na nila kung asa sila agi, kung asa ang mas safety. 2. Enhance efficiency. Reduce navigation time. Optimize routes can lead to shorter transit times and reduce fuel consumption, improving the efficiency of shipping. Improve vessel management. Reducing system helps the efficiency. Meron akong ipapakitang video na kung saan pinapakita nito ang kanilang mga ruta at ito po yung video. Ang purpose jud aning ship rotating kay maghatag og kanang kalinaw or maghatag og impormasyon para sa ilang safety sa mga mariners o maghatag pod og guide o kung sakto ba na ilang gi agian.